Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Instagram Map. The Instagram Map lets you explore locations, discover popular places nearby and see posts tagged around the world. Here's how to use it. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type the name of a location you want to explore. At the top right of the results, tab Places. Now select any location from the list to open the map view focused on that spot. If you see a spot where someone tagged the location, tap the location tag. Instagram will open the map centered on that place, showing all other posts tagged there. Just drag your finger to move around the map and pinch to zoom in or out. You can also scroll anywhere in the world. If users have tagged posts there, they'll appear. Now, tap the Search this area button at the top of the screen and the bottom menu will refresh with popular places in that zone. You can tap a bubble on the map to open a location or select a location from the list below to view posts and stories made there. Once you've opened a specific location, tap the bookmark icon to save it for later. Tap the paper airplane icon to share it with friends via DMs, or tap the three dots at the top right for more options. You can copy the address or open the location in Apple Maps or Google Maps. You now know how to use the Instagram Map to explore places, find trade-in posts, and plan trips, all directly inside the app. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.